Hello, thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD. Today we're going to take a look at sending email reminders from the scheduler. First, I want to show you where you set up the email reminder by going to the Setup screen and then to Set up the practice. Under Set up the practice, you want to go to Email Setup. Then you will see the message that is defaulted into the program. If you wish to change this, you can in any way you want, and then once you're done changing it, you want to close the screen. If you make a change, it will give you the option to save. Once you have your message reading the way you want it to, you will go to the scheduler, choose the date range that you wish to send it for. I have it on a day, but you can also do it for a week or a month and send all of your appointments out for that particular screen. If you choose to send them out for a month, you just choose your patient from here. I'm only going to send out a day's worth. It's easier to see that way. You halo your patient in blue by left-clicking once, and then right-clicking will give you your drop-down menu, and then you can go to Send Email Reminder. You can send for single appointments at a time if you wish, or as I mentioned, for all the appointments in the view. If you do them for all of them in the view, it gives you a menu that allows you to uncheck boxes for people you don't want to send email reminders to, such as someone who does not have an email address. So you can uncheck that and then click Send, and it will send those messages right off to the patients for you. That's all there is to sending email messages off to your patients. If you have any questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support, option 3 is training.